Okay, all public school students, if you are going back to school or if you are already back in school, do not pull fire alarms for fun. Do not, because fire alarms are very serious life safety devices. They alert people when there is a fire inside the building, and they must evacuate the building immediately, and also alert the fire department to come and put the fire out. So these are not to be messed with. If you pull the fire alarm at school when there's no fire, or if you don't have permission to do so, you will get suspended and you will get expelled from school. And depending on how old you are, you might get arrested by the police. If you are just in elementary school, you won't get arrested by the police. You will get grounded by your parents, but if you are in high school, and if you are my age, you will definitely get arrested by the police if you do that. Because people my age are old enough to know that you're not supposed to be doing that. This is my last year in public school. And in the 19 years I have been in school, there were a few incidents where kids pulled fire alarms, particularly in elementary school. And I had an incident in high school as well, but not in middle school. So I have been through this. Thank God I never did this. And I hope you don't, because it is not a joke. You can put someone else's life at risk if you do this. So don't ever do this. Don't get expelled from school for pulling the fire alarm without a fire or without permission. Goodbye.